No, there's people we have that try to say there's quarter marks.
Oh, Jesus. I'm not even gonna go into stories today about.
Dude, whatever.
The Q.
No, quasi.
The Q shooting the E.
The Quasimodo. Just a rock chipper, dude.
Just a rock chipper chipping rocks.
I think that's stinging nettle. Nope, we're good. Boom. Hit it. We'll just alter, brother.
That works. Hey, did you check his binoculars for rangefinder?
You are just barely high.
I'm just kidding.
They're just ice. They're not like anything better.
He just packed that rangefinder just to throw you off, so you don't look at the binos.
I know they're gonna ask for my rangefinder.
So are you going 35 then?
Yeah, baby.
All right, let me record this.
Would you not tell me the truth?
No, seriously. I shot it for 36.
There's no way you shot for 36.
Yes, I did. Look at you. What? Did I give you bad directions?
Freaking gerbil every time. Dude.
Holy crap.
What's going on, dude?
Holy shit. This is going on.
Dude, I wish you would have got it in the first because, dude, he was freaking dancing.
Look at those, look.
He was dancing.
Holy crap.
I think they're on me.
No, look at his pole.
I know. He was running, dude. You see him run away?
What? Look at it's all over.
Dude, it's freaking funny. Not really.
He's filming. Fucker.
He marked my vein.
What are you doing?
I'm shooting the smoker. It's snowbird.
Shooting a caribou, yeah?
Yeah, caribou. He's probably pushing 40 yards, that is.
Meters?
Maybe 40.
Meters?
40 inches of horn. He's got some junk on the trunk.
That's a little bit bigger than my caribou I killed.
Alright, boo-boo. What do you think, 40? Might even be more.
40.
3.
40.
40. Dude, it's
38 to 40.
It's gotta be 40. Okay, right here?
43, yeah. Oh, no, it's this.
No, dude, 48. It's not 40.
You shoot over spec?
Yeah, long ways. And it hit a tree.
I expected to hit.
What are you gonna shoot for?
I'm gonna go 33, 34.
That's what I'd shoot. I shot so far over it, dude. I mean, I cleared the whole.
That's crazy. I couldn't find it in the thing. I didn't see your arrow.
I didn't bring my.
I think I was a little low. It was a little low, but it was.
Right, vitals.
So what'd you shoot for? 33?
I shot it for 34.
Only have 2 minutes to retrieve it, or?
Yeah, you're running short on time. You can't get it. We gotta go.
Here, let me. Okay, there's.
It's right there.
It's like right at me. Okay, here.
Dude, I don't have.
Crazy.
What?
So I said 50, and you said I'm gonna go
47.
47.
I think it's close. You shoot high, so.
Whatever. I did on that caribou.
Go
Here he is.
46, Whacker.
He's getting ready. He's got a toy. Gina.
Yeah, at
Gina?
least you guys are fun to guide.
Toy Gina.
I'm being serious. Shut the frick up.
Whoa. Wow.
Quiet on the course.
Yeah, that's not happening.
Smoke around and full fit.
Oh.
Ooh.
Money.
Shut the front
I
door.
think I pounded it. I was missed the 12, but it's in the 10, ain't it?
It's a good shot. You guys are there, just a little behind.
Notice this guy over here, every time I back up, he don't want to be on my camera no more, afraid of the ants.
Yeah, yeah. I'm like, okay, there's no ants, you got the camera, I'm good.
Pulled the camera out and it was like, do I stink? He's like stepping back over here. I probably do stink. I've hiked 2 courses now.
He's got ants biting him. He pulled out the camera, he's freaking out, ants biting him. He's like, I'm good. I'm good. Nope. Nope. Camera goes back
He's
out.
crying. Tears, eyes are getting balled up. Let's see one of your poles. I need a pole just to freaking steady my camera.
Oh yeah, there. That's nice.
Let's go, Whacker.
Hot. 45.
Wish my camera would like pan extra wide so I could say okay.
Yeah.
You know, judge distance better. What are you cutting this for?
40.
Huh?
I'm gonna go 43 yards.
43 yards on this wolf. Oh, sorry, it's down here.
43 yards. That's gonna really get some people.
Hybrid husky.
Hybrid husky.
How far do you think?
I'm still,
43 might be too much.
I'm saying 47.
I'm going 43, 5.
45.
Dude, I'm going one.
Going once, going twice.
45.
Sold. 45. Oh. Two yards.
I was pretty hot. What are you gonna do? 43?
43.
You wanna cut more?
No.
You see how hot I was?
Yeah, you're not
3
that
yards,
hot.
you're gonna put it right in there. I know, it's because of the angle and cut shooting down. So here we got,
I just don't want to be low.
we got Piper freaking throwing it down, looking like a true believer. Oh, sorry. Dude, I was like up in your
I didn't
grill.
want to like hit you and then my hinge goes off and I freaking, oh,
Mulligan!
yeah.
I need to like,
Friend taking out a friend, that kind of activity.
you 10 that? Dude, I hate you.
Hey Walker, what do you say?
I got 15 points out of 50.
I've got,
We're playing like golf rules.
I got 48. What'd you hit?
Hot. What we do it all day?
That bow tech is too fast.
Dude,
Mine of a 10 though, sucker.
hey, why'd you go first? It's my turn.
Cause I'm a freaking stud.
Dude, in one shot, you caught your entire score.
I shot an 8 earlier, dude.
There you go.
That was mean. Dude, why would you say something like that?
He's catching on.
Who is this guy? I don't even know him.
What'd you shoot
He's
for?
stepped. Can't tell you. 25. But I shot hot too a little bit on the top side of the 10. I would shoot for 18. Just kidding, dude.
Oh gosh.
23, dude. What's up with the threes? 23. Money. I don't know, dude. Maybe you should
Go
go.
ahead. I'm gonna go 23.
Okay, 23 it is.
Hey, you guys coming?
We're having too much fun.
That's TJ.
Killing your course.
Frog.
Tell him I've got 60 points.
What'd he say?
Are you straight hot down?
Yes.
I can get a better one back here.
Come down just a little bit. More like 10.
Ooh. Shot 5.
What? What happened?
That one got turkey hot. All right, turkey.
What happened, dude?
Dropped my bow, my arm, and I just. Hey, Whacker, you almost got a 10. You're just out again.
Oh, yes,
You are just out.
Worse than the bear.
I'm out.
Worse than the bear. Gosh,
You
dude,
would
I
be-
think it's half a paper.
I know! No, that's way out, but it looked better. Dude,
Did I get an 8?
No.
No.
Frick no.
Okay, Piper, what's Piper?
He got a
5.
5.
That's what he's saying.
You're good, dude.
Freaking frog boss
I
over
think
here.
next year we should make the smoker no rangefinder fingers.
Yeah.
I'm out, dude.
I'm out. You know what? I'll have some between.
Okay, listen, bro.
Tim Wells
You
signature
shot hot.
series.
Why did you shoot hot?
I pulled it.
Okay.
I was leaning out, so
Is it hit where you shot?
it was, my pin was floating, yeah, so
Hot?
that's pretty good.
So I need to put it right in the middle, the bottom of that M.
No, it's right in the middle of the M.
Oh yeah, that's right. Am I good? Or am I too far down?
Very good.
Put a magnet in his arrow.
Did I? I think it didn't go off high. I think it went off. Are you ready? He doesn't know what that's made out of, dude.
He's rubbing the shaft.
Oh,
He doesn't even know what it's made out of.
likes it. I told him, electrical conduit
Okay, dude.
with rebar
I'm gonna
inside.
hit you here.
Custom made it?
Yeah, I
No,
made them
it's
both.
cost. Hey, you're hitting me.
Sorry, don't yell at me. Boom. Hey,
Pushed it left a little.
Side,
Yeah.
is that what you
Yeah,
went for?
shoot for that sucker. It's like right there. On you or on the target?
Target's good. We can watch it blow up.
Okay. Boom.
Pounded it.
Dude, so that's a good freaking score,
3 8s
dude.
and 5 and the rest for 10.
That's all it is. A
2 10s.
10.
Dude,
10.
tell me you got an 8. You got an 8.
No, it's either 10 or 0.
You got an 8. You were touching metal. You got an 8.
Dude, we're like brothers, so it just gets ugly at times.
You got an 8. You were touching steel on the insert, and you shot a guy in the back. There's a zombie behind it.
Hey, have you ever had an arrow welt on your arm? Because you're gonna get one.